Alright, so here we are, we're at the Boquillas Canyon Trail, if I could talk. And you can see it's only 1.4 mile round trip. It's easy, 102 foot elevation gain. And then if you want to pause all this and read it, you can. And then this over here. There you go. There's a little thing of the little loop trail right there, and there's the rules. So here's the trail. Let's take on up this thing and see what we can get. Been sitting down a little bit and always get sore and stiff, so it takes me a few minutes to work out my stiffness. Here's the trails, several steps here. Oh yeah, we'll see it a lot more of it when we get up. So you can see it's all steps, which is one of our favorites. It's what we love. But when we get up over the top, I'll show you that. Okay, so we're going down the other side of the Boquillas Trail here, and that's the Rio Grande, running all the way down this way to there. I don't want to blind you too much with the sun. And then it goes right on through there. Right across the river over there is a burro and a goat or two or three maybe. And then it keeps cruising right on down the road down there. And in fact, you probably can't see it, but way down there are several people. And that's the trail, and we're going to be walking it. Alright, so we made it right down here to Boquillas Canyon. You can see huge, huge walls. Take you over to this side. That's the American side. That's the Mexican side right there. Thing is huge. Here's the trail. This whole part of the trail has been nice, but let me tell you, you start out on an extreme up, then you go on a fairly extreme down, and they rate this trail as easy, so I think they've misrated it as far as that. Yeah, it's easy down here, but the up and the down is very hard, and we've seen several older people on this trail, and they look like they were, having a fair amount of trouble. So I think they misrated this trail, even though it is short, but it is stream. We're starting out and then going back. So, I don't know who does it, but somebody does. But anyway, you're getting a look at some of this as I am. Donations for Singing Mexican, Jesus. I don't hear singing Mexican. I see a boat over there. I guess that he uses to come over now and again. And you can see right there is the river. You can literally get down to it if you want to right there. Then this is sandy and hard packed sand too, so this is a big time mixture actually. So, yeah, here's the trail. Starts off with some big time river rock, actually. Oh, we get over them. Oh, a lot of rock. Hey, how you doing?
Get a picture before they put the wall up.
Well, you heard that same as I did, so it's not maybe that guy's against it. Let's see, they got that great big rock over there, and then big, gigantic canyon wall. And then that beautiful blue sky up there with them light little clouds. Hopefully, yeah, I know you're looking at that. And then right through the canyon here. And boy, I gotta tell you, in the shade, there's a breeze. And man, it feels good. In fact, I have to say it feels perfect. Hopefully it's not interrupting my sound too much, but I got to tell you, it just makes you feel alive again. So I enjoy having it. I don't know if you can hear the water running over there or not, but it's very peaceful, soothing, and now this goes down to the beach, and I guess,
well, there's a trail though.
Well, we can get to it this way too as well, it looks like, if that's it. But yeah, look at that right across the river. That's pretty cool. Those striations of various colors. Great big boulders over there. And see, there's the beach goes down that way, and then it looks like there is a trail that goes up this way. But I'll tell you what, while we're down here, let me just take a look. Oh, that just ends right there actually. But here you go. There's more of the canyon. You see all that and see the river running down. And here, might as well get a river shot. See that right there? Running pretty good. See all the holes in the wall over here on the US side? That is very nice. Alright, so we'll continue down a little bit, and then it gets more interesting. I'll show that to you as well. Alright, so we believe that right here is the end of the trail. Just wanted to record this little bit for you, so you could go to the end of the trail with us. And sure enough, unless you want to dive off into the water, this is most certainly the end of the trail. You can see it's sandy over there if you're dumb enough to try to climb over there, but you know, I'm not that dumb. But there's still the canyon, and the light on that thing is so cool. And then of course the shadow. There's back, well, get all that top there, you see that, and that sky right back down the river. And of course, there's a trail we came down. Oh, and look up here, see a big hole up there? And then let me show you up here. Look at that. That is, I can't even tell you the size of that hole, but that is, oh man, I don't know, I gotta guess 40 feet at least, probably from bottom to top, and wide I'm guessing at least 15 or 20 at its widest point. So hopefully you've enjoyed this trail, because I can tell you we have, and if you were here feeling the air, you really would enjoy it. So that'll do it for this trail, and then we'll see you on the next one. We're going to go try some sunset. All right, so we're heading right down there to Rio Grande Village Nature Trail. This is where we're going to go shoot sunset, or at least attempt to. And yeah, there's people up there at the top, and that hill through those trees, that's where we're heading. I think I could have drove down here and parked, but you know, I didn't. Oh well, we'll go see what happens here. I guess it's all the way down there. Oh well, we'll keep going and take a look. So you see we're on this little boardwalk. Here's what that side looks like. A little bit of water. This side. And then the sun is getting low, but we will be higher up there, in fact, on the hill. It's the ultimate goal.
But it was no water, right?
Really?
Dried up.
Yeah. Wow, this is shaky. Oh, heron.
Cool. You won't get pictures of it?
Nah. Sunset's gonna happen real quick. If we don't get up there in like 5 minutes, it's gonna be too late. Alright, so we made it up this far up the trail. We didn't make it all the way because the sun is sinking. I've got my time lapse set up over there. Got my camera set up here. If you look right down there, nice little pond there. Right there's the boardwalk that we came across. And right there's part of the Rio Grande. I know you can see that. And of course, there's the sun right in the middle of the screen. Got the mountains out there. Yeah, there's a heron down there somewhere, but
right over the water down there.
I believe you, but my eyes are so bad I can't see him. We seen him coming up. Up there is the very top, but it took really all my breath just to get up here. And like I said, the sun's sinking so low, I couldn't take a chance going any more. So
we'll try it another time.
We'll just hang here, see what we get tonight. And as she said, we'll try another. We still got a few weeks here, so there's plenty of time to come back and try it again on a good night. So no big deal, but hopefully I get something decent here. But anyway, I'm gonna close out this part of the video. This is as much as this trail as we'll get. Hopefully you've enjoyed this part of it though, and we'll see you on the next one.